Well, news just in, the FIFA Disciplinary Committee issuing a statement today to confirm that Bafana Bafana will be docked the 3 points that they had won against Lesotho in a game played back in March when the South African national team had fielded Mokwena, and he was ineligible for that fixture. SAFA have also been told by the world governing body that they will have to pay an amount of around 200,000, with the player probably just getting a slap on the wrist. Although I have to say, you cannot blame the player for instances like this. It is not his responsibility to know how many bookings he's got, as much as he doesn't know how many caps he's got or how many goals he scored. But be that as it may, the FIFA Disciplinary Committee issuing a statement today to confirm that Bafana Bafana are now minus 3 points going into the last two crucial qualifiers of the FIFA World Cup qualification. They will play Zimbabwe and Rwanda to wrap up this journey, and hopefully if they get all 6 points, they will be going to the USA, Mexico and Canada next year. But as it stands, they've dropped down to second place, being overtaken by Benin because they've been deducted those 3 points. That's the latest coming from Zurich as we speak. Now keep it locked on all my social media platforms for build up to the World Cup, build up to the AFCON and Betway Premiership news. Hurrying.